Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Friday Night Gab. Welcome to my channel. I am not live tonight. This is just me recording Friday Night Gab. So I hope that you will stay and watch. We'll go live again soon. And Camille is right here if you haven't already seen her tail pop up. Let me start off with telling you what I'm wearing. I have on the Nomad, I can never say it because Okavango Safari Nomad. This palette is spectacular. This palette was gifted to me in PR from Nomad. Isn't that gorgeous? That's what I have on. I don't know if you can tell. And then I decided to use this liquid liner. This is Linebacker in color, Forest Green. So this goes really well with that palette. I like it. So I'm wearing that. And then on my lips, I am wearing Yensa Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick. Hey, Smudge. And this is in Noble. So this is the lipstick. This is really cool. You push there and it pops out here. And it is stunning. Love it, love it. Come on up, Smudge. Nothing like tail in the lipstick. But it's gorgeous, 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 okay? So that's what I have on. And Camille, move along, little girly. Okay, I hope y'all had a nice Valentine's Day. Did you have a nice Valentine's Day? Mine was, I had to work, it was in the middle of the week, so I think it was not the best date, or the best, time for everybody. It's nice when it falls on a weekend. So a lot of people celebrated the weekend before. I worked half a day and then I had my taxes done, and Smudge went to the vet that morning and I went to pick him up. He just went for his regular checkup and he's doing really well, very healthy, and very, I'm real proud because he's a senior now. He's 7 years old. He'll be 8 in April-ish. So I was very happy to hear that he's doing very well. And I did get a smashed palette in my Ipsy, my Boxycharm by Ipsy. My Laura Geller face palette was completely obliterated. So if you haven't seen that video, if I remember, I'll put it in the description below. Check that out. It was just completely smashed. It's supposed to be a cream that goes to powder. So, but one of the there's 3 squares. One was completely just smashed to smithereens. Well, I did talk to Ipsy. You talk on their bot and then they send you an email and they are sending me a new palette. I'm so excited because that doesn't happen all the time. A lot of times they are sold out on things and they'll give you, I said 1/3 of the box, that's because I was mad. They give you 1/5 of the cost. So 1/5 of the $28 is what you would get if they can't send you the product. You gonna sit down, Blue? I'm holding him. I'm holding him. You can sit down if you want to sit down. And also I told y'all that Alicia Keys on Ipsy, they have a wonderful set of Alicia Keys products, Soul Care, and Keys Soul Care it's called. And I think I said I wasn't sure how much it was $40 or $50. It's only $25, y'all. And there are some 2 or 3 full-size items and 2 or 3 deluxe sample sizes. But it's a great deal if you like her product line. I haven't tried her products very much, but I absolutely love her balm, the cleansing balm. It's my favorite cleansing balm. That was not in that package, but there was a cleanser in there and moisturizer and some other things. So if you want to try her line, it's a great way to try it as well. So I wanted to tell you all about that I did misspeak and said it was 50, I think. So also, did y'all see my Colourpop Mystery Box? It ended up being, they said in the email that it was 5 palettes. And 4 of the palettes were 5-pan palettes that were all from the same collection. I wish there was more of a variety, but at least they are spring style palettes, although I don't really do that with palettes. I don't necessarily say this is for spring, this is for summer, this is for winter, because when you look at the 4 that they sent me, One is a burgundy and one has blue, dark blue. You can use those in winter months, I think, for sure. And you can mix and match and all that. So the limoncello to me though is more summery, but I use it sometimes in the fall and the winter just to brighten myself up, just to feel better about the gray that's out there. So I also, last Friday, I was live and I had a giveaway in my live. And then I also had a giveaway outside of the live. If you were to go and comment, if you missed the live, and if you were to go and comment on the live, you could be entered into the giveaway. And I have the winner for that. And the winner is Favorites with Laura. So that is really cool. I've known Laura for a few months now, for maybe more than a few months. It seems like it's been a while. She's just a lovely lady. I feel like I've known her for a while. She's just has a great channel, so go check her out. I'll put her below. Anytime I mention a channel, I always try to put them in the description so that y'all can find them. And I also talked about my Dashing Diva, that I am an affiliate for Dashing Diva. And y'all, when I did the Dashing Diva video a couple of days ago, I went through that really fast. I don't know why, but I did. I am an affiliate for them, and I get the press-on nails. And I really like them, and I always buy sales from their sales. I think that the pricing is great on them, but you know, if I can save money, I'm going to save money. And if you buy from them, you join their Diva, forgot what it's called, Diva something, and then you get points, and then you can use those points to save money and to save get some free stuff and whatever. So it's definitely worth it. And if you shop there and you shop under my link, I get credit for what you buy. So I might get, they pay me by the quarter. In a year, I get paid maybe twice, maybe, and I mean like $3 or $4, maybe $2. So I know that, you know, because I don't know, a lot of people don't buy Dashing Diva. A lot of people don't buy under me. That's okay. But if you, I like it. I think it's a great brand, and I like their nails a lot. They also have different types of nails. So I only ever get the press-ons, but they do have stickers, and they do have gel nails. They have these nails that they stick on, and they're gel, and then you put your hands under this heat element thing that helps seal them onto your nails. I don't really know much about it, but they sell those as well. And I've been told by several friends that that is really a wonderful thing that they do. So I wanted to tell you about that because I forget to tell you all my stuff. And I have a couple of giveaways going on. You know, I always have my treasure trove giveaway going on. That's an always thing. And that might be coming up soon to pick a winner. I can't remember the date. It might be this week coming up. And then I also have, that just went up a day or two or three ago, I want to give away so you can win a giveaway. And that is, I want to give away from Erlene S. And so go see that because I have a giveaway in there as well. And I think that, excuse me, I think that might be it, y'all. What is your weather like? My weather is like this. So today was 66 degrees, gorgeous, sunny. And tomorrow is supposed to be 40 and rainy. Usually it warms up to rain around here, not the other way. But I must say, at least it's not going to be snow. I do think we have, you know, we definitely, I shouldn't say I do think, I know we have some more winter coming. I got a little nick from one of these animals walking over me. A little blood coming out here. I know up north they got a bunch of snow again. And, you know, even though the, not the gopher, what is he called? The groundhog said it was going to be spring, early spring. I don't believe it. So early spring, then back to winter, then back to spring is what I think is happening. Because we definitely have spring here. We have gladiolas, not gladiolas, what are they called? Daffodils are popping up, and other things that are early bulbs are popping up, and they're just beautiful. I love to see them. I love to see my camellia bushes start to bloom, and they look like roses. I have a pink one, and I have a couple of red ones. They're just gorgeous. And the one in the back of my house is taller than my house. It's huge, and it's beautiful. It's an evergreen. It has green, shiny leaves all year long. So it's just gorgeous. And here in the South, we have a lot of evergreen type things like that. But then we also have regular trees too. So anyway, I think that's really it, y'all. I feel like I always feel like I have more to say, but I hope that y'all had a wonderful Valentine's Day. I hope that you had a great week. I hope that you're well. I know a few sick people, so please keep everybody in your prayers. COVID is really running around it's running around the whole country. I have friends up north. I have friends here that have it. So please keep them in your prayers. And just y'all have a great weekend. I hope you enjoy it. And I think that's it. And Camille is stealing my paper again. Camille, please. Anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping. Hey, I hope she grows out of that. I think she will, because Smudge used to be a biter, and he's not anymore. Camille, are you rotten? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Want to say hey? Want to say hey? Say hey, everybody. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.